Welcome to Team Multi-Base Baseball, a striking and fielding game for ages 5 to 13. We hope you enjoy. In this game you will need some balls, a hoop, a batting tee, and some bats and some cones. For this game you need a fielding team to spread out in the area. You then need a batting team who come and line up on one side, and then you can have a couple of batters. You can have just one, you can have two or more depending on how many tees and the size of your group. You then have some tees with a ball on top, a hoop in front, and then some cones marked out for the batting team to run to. The game starts when the batters hit the balls out into the playing area. Then the whole of the batting team have to run to one of the sets of cones. They need to run to the same set of cones. If they run to the first set of cones and stop there, they get 1 point. If they go to the second, they get 2, and if they go to the third set, they get 3 points. They then all need to make sure that they stop at that cone together. If some of the batters go to a further cone or get stuck in between, by the time the fielders retrieve the balls back to the hoop, if they're all scattered like this and they're not at the same cone, then they score no points for that round. If all of the batters communicate and stop at a set of cones, they decide that's the amount of points they want to go for, and they do that before the fielders retrieve the ball to the hoop, then they would score for that round. Play until all of the batters have had a turn and then swap over, or you could play for a certain amount of time before you swap over. There are lots of adaptations to this game depending on the age of your students or how many you have, and just get creative and enjoy it and let us know what you think. We hope you had fun and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.